What is this? Ah.
You tell me.
Oh, my acceptance from Colombia?
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
You're recording yourself?
Yeah, I'm recording myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I got acceptance to Colombia, I told you.
Oh, okay.
I didn't knew this.
Don't you see the person that is behind you? In the video?
You?
You will see somebody walking like that, no?
Yeah. Colored pencils.
Oh, wow.
And a coloring book. Ooh, I like this. Oh, and it's blank.
That's even better.
That's even better than an acceptance. Yeah. Congratulations and welcome to the class of 2023.
¿En dónde?
Columbia, Chicago.
Wow. See you later, alligator.
If they give me money and if I can afford it, I'll probably go to the school just because I like it. So there's that. It wasn't my mom, it wasn't my dad, so. Also, he kind of scared me because he's like, don't you see the person behind you? And it spooked me. I think my mom might be home though, so I might get yelled at and get my candle confiscated, but. Once again, lit. Okay, I gotta keep cleaning. What the fuck? I'm finally done cleaning my room. Drinking a Victorious vanilla chai with some cinnamon in it. This mug was given to me by my friend for my birthday. Her name is Zoe. I love you. Done. Text message. I got this done in I think an hour, maybe less. I don't know. I've been putting it off for so long, when really it wasn't really that hard. But just the thought of it, just, I don't know. I've been in a slump lately. I was talking to my mom about this today. I told her that I've really been in a slump lately, and I just been in a mood where I don't want to do anything. I don't want to get anything done. And I'm done with school. Anything related to school. And responsibilities and anything related to responsibilities. I'm just done with it all. And this is my current state. My haphazard state. So, I'm gonna go shower now. Wow, look. Oh, there's a cat. I just saw a cat. My neighbor just looked at me like I'm weird, but it's okay. Also, look. These are my keys. And then we got a little keychain, little friend. And I also got a shirt that's in there. It's that navy thing. But I already ordered my cap and gown. It's just really crazy to think that in 6 months and 14 days, yes, I have a countdown, I'm gonna be graduating from high school and getting ready to go to college. Like, that's insane. Cause then I'll have like what? Basically 8 months from now, I'll be going to college. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, a couple months ago, it was 8 months from now. It'll be my 18th birthday. And now it's 33 days from now, it's gonna be my 18th birthday, and then 8 months from now, I'm gonna be going to college, and I'm probably gonna when I saw my they gave us a little like mock invitation thing. When I saw it, I genuinely cried. Like, I'll show it to you guys, but I genuinely cried just because I was like, oh my god, like, oh my god. So, I already ordered my cap and gown, and that should be here a couple months from now. I don't know, like 4 months, 3 months from now. 4 or 3 months, somewhere around there. I'm dying. I am definitely not, like, mentally stable. Okay. I'm going inside now. Goodbye. So, I'm home now. Well, I've been home. I don't know what time it is. Okay. I've been home for a while now. And I'm gonna do homework because I haven't actually done homework in a couple days, which is really weird to say, but I really haven't. I have a packet in this, and I think I have something else online, if I'm not wrong, and this is for my geo class, because I have low-key not been turning in stuff, so yeah, I need to get this stuff done, and then I'm gonna read The Hate You Give. I'm gonna finish reading The Hate You Give because I have a couple pages. I think I have like 2 or 3 chapters left in that, so I still have to finish that, and then I am gonna start reading, or gonna keep reading, In the Country We Love, because that's my quarter read book, and I don't have to turn that in until January, but it's still something that I need to do. It's for my AP Lane class, so I need to read some of that and annotate. And then I have a book club book that's called Educated that I have to read too, so it's a lot of reading tonight. Not much that I can do about it because I gotta actually start getting back on track.